Ma'arif madaniyat uchur xazinasiga xush kelibsiz. Internet torida yuqori saviyalik o'qituvchilarimiz bilan chet el tili o'rganish orzusidagilarni tarbiyalab kelmoqdamiz. Dunyoning har qaysi joylaridan maslahatga muhtoj Turkiya, Qibrис, Saudiya, Yevropa universitetlarida haqsiz yoki o'qish yordam puli bilan arzon o'qish orzusidagilarning kasb va universitet tanlash, to'g'ri tizimli universitet o'qiy olishiga kafolatlik qilamiz. Maslahat va tafsilot uchun har yil 5dan boshlab aloqa adreslarimizga uchur qilgaysizlar. Xazinam tor til tarbiyalash va oliy ma'arif maslahat markazi.
Hello everybody, welcome to High Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 87, a car crash. So first of all, let's learn some new words here. Okay, today's words about the car, especially a car crash. Look at the pictures. Okay, wow. What are they? Here there is a car crash. Okay, I'm Muslim sanlam şarkı. Bir mashina hadisi shunaqa mashinaniki so'qishib ketishi. Andaqda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan ham so'zdagi bir diqqat qilib chiqaylik. Birinchi so'z attendant. Okay, attendant. Kutuvchi, kutuvchi. Attendant. Okay, number 2, bring. Bring. Number 3, garage. Garage. Number 4, crash. Crash. Okay, mashinadan so'qilib ketishi. Lamp post. Lamp post. Chiroq hodisa yoki stolb deymiz. Repair. Repair. Okay, repair deganimiz remote qilmoq. Try. Okay, try. Tirishib boqmoq. O'rnib boqmoq degan gap. Xo'sh, hamma shu so'zlarniki tafsilotiga bir diqqat qilaylik, savodashlar. Okay, look at the picture. In this picture, he's an attendant in a hotel. Okay, attendant. Okay, do you know attendant? Hamda bu odam qanday insonlar mehmonxonada bir qanday insonlar mehmonxonada ishlaydigan kutuvchi ekan. Demak, eshikning oldida, "Oy, marhamat, mehmonxonamizga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Undan keyin siz qayoqqa borasiz?" deb qanday insonlar yo'l boshlaydigan. Shuni nimiz attendant. Attendant degan ism bo'ladi, kutuvchi. Nima deymiz? Attendant. Okay, attendant. Okay, endi attend degan fe'lning ma'nosi qatnashmoq, ishtirok qilmoq degan gap. Attend. For example, go to school, maktabga bormoq, maktabda o'qimoq degan gap shunami? We can also say attend school. Okay, attend school. Mushum nima desanlar? Maktabga o'qimoq, bormoq degan gap. Ya'ni attend a meeting. Bu yig'inga qatnashmoq. Attend a meeting. Demak, attending ma'nosi qatnashmoq degan gap. Masalan, attend a wedding. Okay? Amerika wedding deganimiz to'y marosimi. Demak, attend a wedding, to'y marosimiga qanday qilmoq, qatnashmoq. Okay, by the way, attend a funeral. Okay. In this funeral, motam marosimi. Yoki dafn marosimi deymiz. Shuning qatnashmoq. Demak, endi bu yerga fe'l bo'lganda attend and attendant bo'lsa, shu kutuvchi. Okay, attendant. Undan keyin Amerika ingliz tilida odatda shu aeroplanga chiqqanda kutuvchini. Uni nima deymiz? Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Biz ingliz tilida air hostess deb bir qadim o'rgangan. Okay, air hostessniki shu aeroxon qiz shunami? Aeroplan kutuvchisi. Yoki nima deymiz Amerika ingliz tilida flight attendant. Okay, attendant degan shu dukkan saroylariki, hamda shu kutuvchi odamni nima deymiz? Attendant deymiz. Okay, attend again, qatnashmoq. Okay, next one is bring. All right, bring. Okay, bring. Okay, and the bring deganimiz bir narsani elib kelmak bo'ladi. Demak, boshqa bir yerdan bir yerga elib kelmak bo'lsa bring bo'ladi. Okay, buni o'tgan zaman shakli brought. For example, my father brought me a gift from Urumchi yesterday. Dadam tunigan Urumchidan menga bir sovg'at qanday qilibdi? Ag'ach kelibdi. Brought a gift. Okay. And then what about take? Okay, take. Take deganimiz hamda bir yerdan bir yerga olib bormoq. Undan keyin and then Mesela bring something to somebody and bring somebody something deb ishlatamiz. Mesela don't bring him that knife. Onunla o bıçakni qanday qilib bermang? Bir bermang. Mesela you must bring my book tomorrow. Sen çoxum erta meni kitobimni elib olishing kerak. Okay, bring. Bring degan elib bormoq, elib kelmoq degan gap. Take bo'lsa, take degan olib bormoq. Mesela my father takes me to school every day. Dadam har kuni meni maktabga olib bordi. Mesela kichik bolalarni boshlang'ich maktab bolalarini qanday qildi? Maktabga olib bordi. Shuni nima deymiz? Bring deymiz. Okay, mesela bring me far away. Naqshlarim chiqib meni jiroqlarga olib ket. Bring me, men elib bring me far away. Olib ketish. Okay. Bring degan shu olib kelmak. Olib mangmak degandek. Next one is why did you bring me a watch? Okay, siz nima uchun menga bir soat olib keldingiz? Why did you bring me a watch? Okay. You know, he brought some friends to his school. Okay, hamda o maktabga, uning maktabiga bir necha do'stlarini qanday qildi? Olib keldi. You know, brought. Okay, brought a gift bo'lsin nima desanlar. Okay. Shu'laqa. Sovg'at kelmak. What about he brought his sister to attend my wedding? O meniki to'y marosimga o singlisini qanday qildi qatnashishga olib keldi. Ya'ni brought his sister. Demak, endi bu yer brought somebody, yoki brought something to somebody, yoki brought somebody something, yoki brought somebody to some place. Bu o'xshashlar qanday nima desanlar? Shu olib kelmak degan gap. Okay. So don't bring toys to school. Maktabga o'yinchiqlarni qanday qilmang? Olib kelmang. Yoki don't bring cell phones to school. Maktabga qanday qilmang? Telefon olib kelmang. Telefon olib kelmang. Demak, hamda mushlar olib kelmak degan gap. Undan keyin we have brought our son with us to the party. Okay. Biz o'g'limizni bu yig'ilishga yoki choyga qanday qildik? Birga olib keldik. We have brought our son with us to the party. With us to the party. Demak, birinchi attend. Shunami? Okay, and the take deganimiz elib mangmak, elib ketmak degan gap. Masalan, take somebody something to somewhere. Bir naqshva take me to your heart deydigan. Meni yurgin gap bor. Okay. Take me home bo'lsa meni uyga borang, uyga ketang degandek. Take me home. You know, it took a lot of food to park. Men baqcha nurg'un qana qildi, yemekliklarni evaldim. Demak, took degan elib bormoq. Okay, next one is crush. You know, crush. What is that? You know, crush means, okay, like that. You can see from the picture, you have a crush. So'qilish. Mashinadan bir yoqqa so'qilib ketishni nima deymiz, valla? Shuni a car crash deymiz. Yoki have a crush. You know, have a crush. You know, they have a crush every week. Ular har hafta qanday qiladi? Mashinasini so'qib oladi. They have a crush every week. Demak, hamda bu davomli yuz berib turadigan ishlar. Next one is repair. Okay, repair. Ma so'zni masalan patilsak intayin oson asab qolgan bo'ldi. Masalan, reading qayta, pair deganimiz nima? Masalan, jub degan gap. Bir narsani qayta jubligan bo'lsangiz, remote qilgan bo'lsa. Adatda nima masalan, adatda saq narsalar pair bo'ladi, tushunami? Jublaglik holatda. Agar buzilib qolsa ko'rsangiz, jupi ajab ketadi. Vaqtini qayta jublab qo'ysangiz, sizlar uni remote qilgan bo'lasizlar. Yoki fix deymiz, fix mishara. Repair. Like, you know, I will repair bicycle. Men velosiped remote qilay. Okay, can you repair this bicycle? Siz bu velosipedni qanday qila olamsizmi? Remote qila olamsizmi? Okay. Demak, endi musharika repair remote qilmoq. Such as, can you repair this car? Siz bu mashinani remote qila olamsiz? Can you repair this car? Can you repair this bicycle? Can you repair this cell phone? Can you repair this television? Degandek. Demek ki bir cümle şeklinde günü alsalım, yani nurgun narsa işletkeni buldu. You know, she looked the motorbike and began to repair it. Okay, bir qaraplam qana qildi, remote qilish boshildi. How can I repair the old car? How can I repair the old car? Men qandaq konu mashinani remote qila olmayman dedi. How can I repair the old car? You know, it will take a while to repair your bike. Okay, it will take a while. Demek anlayarı take a while degan bir oz vaqt, qisqa bir mezgil biroz vaqt ketadi dedi. Demek sizning velosipedingizni remote qilishga ozroq vaqt keladi. Misharika hamda take deganimiz hamda bir savoq bor. Take somebody some time. Okay, ishlama. Birisning ma'lum vaqtini qanday qilmoq, olmoq bo'ladi. Repair. So I cannot repair car, you know, repair the car. Okay, and I cannot repair car bo'lsa, men nima ish qilolmayman. Mashina remote qilolmayman. I cannot repair bike bo'lsa, men velosiped ana qilolmayman. Remote qilolmayman. Remote qilolmayman. Repair. Okay, next one, try. Hey, try. Let's try. Nimishq baqayli, sinab baqayli, o'rnab baqayli. Demak, endi try to do something, yoki try doing something degan bir ishni qanday qilib sinab baqmaq, o'rnab baqmaq degan gap. Okay, masalan, try someone's best to do something. Okay, I try someone's best to do something. Demak, bir odamning eng kuchini, demakchi, butun kuchi bilan qanday qilish bir ishni qilish. You know, I tried my best to teach English. Okay, I'm the man. Butun kuchim bilan ingliz tilini o'rganishga tirishdim. Okay, you know, he's trying to move the bookshelf. Okay, and the kitapchasini yo'tkazishga qanday qiladi? Urinib qo'yadi u, terishib qo'yadi degan gap. Okay, try. You know, they tried hard to repair the damaged car. Okay, and me yerga damaged car, damage deganimiz ham nima ishada? Yaralangan, buzilgan. Demak, hamda ular shu buzilib ketgan mashinani remote qilishga qanday qilib qo'yadi? Terishib qo'yadi. They tried hard to repair the damaged car. Repair the damaged car. Okay, I'll try that Italian restaurant next to me next time. And I'll try that Italian restaurant next time. And we are going to try the answer. Italian restaurant sinab baqaymiz, ta'min etib baqay degan gap. Let me try. Yeah, let's try it. Demak hamda shu ta'min etmoq degan gap. You know, try your best to finish this work. Demak hamda buni tugatishga butun kuchimiz bilan qanday qilib tirishamiz. Okay, have a try. Sinab beqish. And we have a try degan hamda bir sinab beqish. Sinab beqish. Okay, have a try. It's a good try. Okay, sinab beqing. U bek yaxshi bir urinish bo'ldi. Okay. Try one's best. Yoki try one's best to do something. Okay. Masalan, try your best. Hey, I'll try my best. Men butun kuchim bilan qanday qilma? Tirishma degan gap. Demak, hamda butun kuchim, butun amalning bericha qanday qilma? Mishara tirishma, urinib boqma degan gap, try. Yani I want to try my best. Men o'zim butun kuchim bilan tirishib boqimba. Okay, what about I have already tried my best? Zadi men shu qilg'ashning hammani qilib boqdim. Demak, men butun kuchim bilan urinib boqdim. Okay, to try to do something, let's try luck. Try once luck was hamda birsiniki hamda nima talent sinab boqma. I'll try my luck. So look, which word is missing? Musharaka. Qaysi so'zni yo'qolib ketib qoldi bolalar? Qaranglar, bring, epkemak, lamppost, stolba, crash, mashina zo'qlash, attendant, repair. Okay. And garage, mashina skiladish. Nama brought degandek. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi so'zlik o'qinim shu o'zimiz yaxshi bo'lsin. Hamsa tekstga diqqat qilsanglar, savoldoshlar. Tekstga diqqat qilinglar.
Is my car ready yet?
I don't know, sir. What's the number of your car?
It's LFZ312G.
When did you bring it to us?
I brought it here 3 days ago.
Ah, yes, I remember now.
Have your mechanics finished yet?
No, they're still working on it. Let's go into the garage and have a look at it. Isn't that your car?
Well, it was my car.
Didn't you have a crash?
That's right. I drove it into a lamppost. Can your mechanics repair it?
Well, they're trying to repair it, sir. But to tell you the truth, you need a new car.
All right. Okay, and qaranglar. Mr. Wood debdi. Is my car ready yet? Okay, majmuna qaranglar. Is my car ready yet? Okay, asl shakli my car is ready. Shunami? Mening mashinam qanday bo'ldi? Tayyor bo'ldi. Is my car ready yet degancha mening mashinam tayyor bo'ldimi? Ani bu yerki yet deganimiz texcha, hozircha degan gap. Bu odatda shu savol jumla bilan inkor jumlalari keladi. Yana yozib qo'yinglar hozir kitobni. Ushbu yerga yet deganimiz savol jumla bilan inkor jumla keldi. Demak, mening mashinam tayyor bo'ldimi? Demakchi, o'ngshab bo'ldimi? degan gap. Is my car ready yet? Mening tamog'im tayyor bo'ldimi? Is my food ready yet? Okay, is my food ready yet? Yoki mening is my breakfast ready yet? Is my lunch ready yet? Okay, degandek. Demakda tayyor bo'ldimi? Yo, is my car ready yet? Okay, is my bike ready yet? Demak, hamda birasi shu remote qildiga berib, hamda shu tayyor bo'ldimi? Agar kompyuterni o'xshatgan bo'lsang, is my computer ready yet? Is my laptop ready yet? Is my cell phone ready yet? Degandek, shu bir jumla kunlik turmushning tan ko'p ishlatgan bo'ladi. I don't know, sir. Men uqmayman, efendim. I don't know. No deganimiz bilmak, uqmak. I don't know. Okay, men uqmayman. Men uqmayman, efendim. So what's the number of your car? Demak, what is the number of? Okay, I'm the mashinangizning numeri qanchta? What is the number of your car? Okay, what is the number of your cell phone? And what is the number of your WeChat number? WeChat number qancha? Demakchi, undanlarning numeri qancha degan gap bo'ldi. So, attendant debdi, attendant shuni kutib olg'ichi hamda. It's LFC. Okay, nimchalik itning ko'rsatayotgani u. Demak, shu mashinaning nomeri, shunami? LFZ 312G. Okay, when did you bring it to us, sir? Okay, when did you bring? Siz bu yerga qachon kelgandingiz? Demak, hamda shu mashina nima chiqqan ekan, siz qachon kelgandingiz, shunami? I brought it here 3 days ago. Men 3 kun burun kelgan. Demak, men bu aniq oddiy zaman. O'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtda yuz bergan ish harakat. Okay, I brought it here 3 days ago. Men 3 kun burun qanaqa? Oh, yes, I remember now. Oh, hamda ism keldi. Okay. Hamda men remember deganimiz bu yerda hamda shu as saqlamak, esda qolmak. Okay, masalan, can you remember me? Men esingizdami? Hali 10 yil burun ko'rishgan-ku biz, shunami? And the master, remember me to your mother. Okay, meni apangizga aslatib qo'ying. Yoki meni aslab qo'ying degan gap, apangizga salom aytib qo'ying. Remember me to your mother. Remember me to your father. Degan gap. So can you remember? Okay, it's me. Okay, I remember now. I'm this in keldi. So have you mechanics finished yet? Okay, I'm the mechanic yet yana keldi. Shunami? Savol jumlaga. Have you mechanics finished it? Tugitib bo'ldimi? Agar tugitib bo'lgan bo'lsa qanday desam, mashina chaqirib qo'ydi shunami? Hozir bir natijani ifodalaydi. Demak, sizniki remote-chilaringiz remote qilib bo'ldimi? So no, they are still working on it. Ya, tex ular qanday shuning ustida working on it. Demak, hamda work on somebody degan shu ma'lum bir ishni qanday qilmoq, shug'ullanmoq yoki shu ma'lum bir ishni qilish. Demakchi, ular texcha ishlayapti. Demak, texcha yasayapti o mashinani. Demakchi, they are still working on it. working on it. And nima are still degan bu nima textcha degan gap. Bu odatda nima desanglar, mana shunga o'xshash bo'lishliq jumlalar still keladi. Okay, ma 70 nima desanglar textcha degan gap, hamda buning ishlatilishi inkor jumlalar bilan shu savol jumlalar keladi. Masalan, abay chiqqan is my car ready yet? Have your mechanics finished yet? Degandek. Demak, hamda shular shu nimaninki intayin muhim bo'lgan nuqtalar. So they are still working on ular tex chiqqanlar desanglar ishlayapti. Let's go into the garage and okay, have a look at it. Okay, let's go into the garage. Kirayli ham, then have a look at it. Endi meni o'ttir endi qo'yapti. Bu endi degan nima desanglar, odatda shu bir oddiy ikki jumlani biriktirib bir jumla qilishni ishlatildi xolos. Nimachi? Kirib ko'rayli. Birga ham mana kirgandan keyin mana qilayli degan gap bo'lsa, hamda shu amniyat mashq jumla let's go into the garage and then let's have a look at it. Endi yana ko'rib boqaylik. Demakchi, men ikki oddiy jumla, masalan, let's deganni qisqartib bersakmi, bir jumla qilib berdi bizga. Buning o'xshash jumla ilgari intayin ko'p bo'lgan. Masalan, give me my coat and my umbrella, please. Shunami? And my coat and my umbrella, please deb lamgan. Shunami? Men give me ilgari qisqarib ketgan. Demak, endi o'xshashdan bo'shdan o'xshash ikki buyruq jumlani, ikki oddiy jumlani bir jumla qilishda bu keyin o'ttirg'a and deganni ulash orqali bu ikkisi logik jihatdan nima desanglar bir jumla bo'ldi. Kirib, undan qana qilaylik, uni bir qarab boqaylik. Let's go into the garage and have a look at it. Have a look at it. Okay. Misal sinfga kirib dars anglaylik deganicha, let's go into the classroom and have a lesson. Okay, have a lesson. Degan gap shada. Dars anglaylik degan gap. So isn't that your car? Okay. Endi ma'ni ma'risanglar savol emas, inkor savol jumla. Shunami? Savol jumlalar emas, hamda shada. Isn't that your car? Mashina sizning emasmi? Degan gap hamda mashina sizningmi degan bo'lsa bu savol bo'ldi, shunami? Mashina sizning emasmi? Emasmi degani hamda bu. Mashina sizning qo'ymish o degan gap shu. Masalan, Uyg'urchadan baqo, biz ta'ni qilib, "Apa, men sening balang emasmi?" Demak, endi men sening balangni deb qo'ydim uchun balanga o'xshamaydigan ish qilsa degan gap. Masalan, "Ey, sen o'quvchi emasmi?" Demak, u albatta o'quvchi. O'quvchi emasmi degan gap, "Sen o'quvchi turib bu shunday qilamsan" degan gap. O siz qiz bola emasmi, o'g'il emasmi degandekcha. Shu mandaq emasmi? Inkor savol jumla amaliyoti shuningki, nima dersanglar, nah shuningki, bo'lishliq shaklini bildirdi. Demakchi, u sizning mashinangiz emasmi deganga, "Voy, u sizning mashinangiz-ku mana." Adab texnimi bir kuchabroq ifodalab bermoqchi. "Wow, it was my car." Okay, endi men was degan yantoizda, "It was my car." Uning urg'uliq da'aladi. Bu nima? U mashining mashinam edi. Demak, hozir u setyapti buningga? Yo'q. Endi mishada u mening mashinam edi degan o'tgan zamonda ishlatishga sabab hamda u ilgari mening mashinamda bichar mashinam hozir rahmat ko'p ketdi. Demakchi, hamda hozir buzilib bir mashina shaklida emas, bir xil bir mashina emasdek bir narsa bo'lib qoldi. Hozir mashina o'xshamaydigan bo'lib qoldi demakchi. Demak, endi odatda masalan shu o'tgan zamonda yuz bergan ishlarga masalan odam deb ishlasak, masalan he was a nice person, u bek yaxshi odam edi. Demak, endi bu yaxshi odam edi degan gap hamda hozir u odam yo'q, o'lib ketdi, rahmatlik bo'lib ketdi degandan derak berdi. Endi shu yerga was my car, u mening mashinam edi degan gapi, u hozir u mashina emas, balki nima desanglar, bir nihoyat obrazli qoldi, chiqaldi shu mening mashinam edi degan endi shu. Hozir bir mashinamga o'xshamay qoldi, bek buzilib ketibdi degan gap. So, didn't you have a crush? Okay. Siz shu mashina suqlash bo'ldimi? Demak, shunday bo'pti-ku degan gapda hamda. That's right, I drove it into a lamppost. And drove into something degan shu bir aslig'ini oldicha qo'llab qo'ymoq, usmak degan gap. Demak, men aytayapman. Shu chiroqni hadisiga qo'yapman. So, can your mechanics repair it? Sizning mexaniklaringiz buni remote qila olamdi? So, can your mechanics repair it? Can your? Okay, this well, they are trying to repair it, sir. Okay, alhamdulillah. Shu remote qilishga tirishyapti-da, urinyapti-da. But to tell you the truth, okay, tell you the truth deganimiz, Rast gapni qilganda, you need a new car. Siz yangi bir mashinaga ehtiyojliq. You need a new car. Siz yangi bir mashinaga ehtiyojliq. Demak, endi bechara demak, endi o'ngishmaydi. Demak, endi o'sha remote-chilik o'ngishmagandan aqdan qattiq so'qilib tushunami? Aqdan o deganda, yeah, it was my car. O mening mashinam edi deyishga loyiqga. Xo'sh, hamsa o'zingning kitobi qarag'ash, hamda abay o'rganganimizga asosan shu jumlalarning qaysi to'g'ri, qaysi xatolig'iga bir hukm qilib boqayli. If it's true, you can say true. Okay, men terib qo'ysam, agar bu jumla tekst mazmuni uyg'un bo'lsa true'ni to'g'ri degan gap, uyg'un bo'lmasa xato bo'lib qolsa false'ni qo'yamiz. Number 1. Mr. Wood's car isn't ready. Yes or no? True or false? Yeah, of course, true, right? The number of his car is LFC 321G. What is that? It's false, right? Okay, I'm the Number 3. Mr. Wood brought his car to the garage 3 weeks ago. Is that 3 weeks ago? No, it's 3 days ago. So, Mr. Wood drove his car into a tree. What? It's a lamppost. It's not a tree, right? Number 5. Mr. Wood doesn't need a new car. So, is that? Doesn't need a new car? Really? Okay, no. Actually, he needs a new car. So, today's key sentence. And the mush jumlani qanday desanglar cho'qim kitobingizga sızib qo'yinglar bolalar. Mush jumla bizniki mush bugungi tekstga time o'yin nuqta masalan is my car ready? Okay. Demak, ham is my car ready yet mush keyinligini ishlatamiz desanglar yetni ishlatamiz. Bular mana shu meni textchinim bo'ldimi? Inkor jumla bilan savol jumlada nima keldi? Yet. Is my car ready yet? Not yet. Or yaqtiqi. So what's the number of, okay, what's the number of the night? So what's the number of your phone number? What's the number of your phone? What's the number of your WeChat? What's the number of your QQ? What's the number of your house? So I brought it here 3 days ago. Okay, okay, next, have your mechanics finished yet? Send them answer. Demek hem de bu şu bir yerde adli yazıksam ötken zaman sende bana ait köp şunama. So let's go into the garage. Krayli. So didn't you have a crash? Siz maşını sokup etmegensiz degende. I drove it into a lamppost. And the drove somebody into manınga bolsa, naqshununga berip, anaqlish, usulish, sokup elish. Degan bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa abay o'rganganlarimizni bir amaliy mashqda ishlatib boqaylik. Number 1. Where is Frank now? His bike in the yard. Oy, Frank nerede desa, u velosipedini o'ylada qanday qilyapti? Okay, hamda ma'lum emas. Frank now desa hozir mana. Demakchi hamda o'yla shu hozir bulayotgan ish shunami? Demak, he's fixing up his bike in the yard. Fixing up. Abay so'zlaganda bala repair deganimiz remote qilmoq shunami? American ingliz tili yana fix mi deb qo'ygan. Yoki he's repairing his bike in the yard. U o'ylada velosipedini remote qilyapti. He's fixing up his bike in the yard. Okay, number 2. I borrow your MP3. Sure, here you are. Okay, and me, okay. Name is may I, must I, would I, should I? Okay, may I. Yeah, can I? Can I borrow your MP3? Men asamblamda. And buningda texamanda, texamo. Asiliq raqam may I. Demak, hamda sizning MP3-ingizni arit qilsam bo'lamdi. May I borrow your MP3? May I borrow your book? Okay, sizning kitobingizni arit qilsam bo'lamdi. Borrow degan aritga mak, bu lend bo'yicha birisi aritga bermak. Okay. Next. My cousin has changed a lot. She used to be blah, 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 but now he's told. Meaning cousin. Cousin qanday desanglar, nurg'un o'zgarish bo'ldi. U qanday desanglar, ilgari mandati, lekin hozir izlab ketadi. Demakki, hozir igizlab ketdi. Demakki, u ilgari mandati demak, used to deganimiz ilgari davom qilganlik hozir qilmaydigan. Demak, hamda used to be what? Short. Okay, hozir igiz bo'lganki ilgari pakat demak, tushunami? Hozir nima desanglar, short. Number 4, don't forget to me a book. Okay, don't forget to what? Nimani unutib qolmang? Okay, bring me a book. Men bir kitob olib kelishni unutib qolmang. Demak, bir yerdan bir narsa olib kelish bo'lsa bring, birdan bir narsani bir yerga olib borish bo'lsa take deymiz, tushunami? Number 5, let's chat online. Let's chat online. To'g'rida paranglashaylik. Nima? It's a good idea. Bek yaxshi gap bo'ldi, yaxshi fikr bo'ldi, yaxshi o'y bo'ldi degan gap. It's a good idea, right? So number 6, who can go outside and meal with me? Okay, and you can buy a meal, share a meal, cook a meal, have a meal. Okay, have a meal. Arada tamaqlarni aldığı, have kesa. Naqshini qandaq yemak degan gap bo'ldi. Have a meal with me. Okay. Endi mishalki berilgan verbningki o'lchamlik shaklini qo'yib qo'yamiz adashlar. Masalan, remember me some medicine. Remember to bring me some medicine. Endi me yara to do. Ma pil bo'lgan kichik pil hargizmi bir yoqqa kelishga bo'lmaydi. Faqat o'tirga to, ma birisi aniqsizlik bo'lgan holat bo'ldi. Masalan, remember to bring me some medicine. Mana azroq do'rag'ach kelishni qanday qilib qolman? Unutib qolman. Esingizda bo'lsin degan gap bo'ldi. Shu to'g'ri kelishni qanday qilib unutib qolman. Number 2, there are a number of in a classroom. Okay, and there are a number of sanog'ini bo'ldigan bo'lgan ya'ni masalan students. Ular bir necha qanday desanglar, o'quvchilar bor darsxonada. Students, there are only ko'plik keldi. The works in a garage. Okay, and the attend bo'lamda, attendant bu. Albatta nima desanglar, attendant. Adam shunami? Bu yerda works bo'lganki ishlaydi, nima? O bir mashina remote xonada qanday qildi ishlaydi. The girl attendant works in a garage. Yana har qanday bu shirkatda ishlaydi, shunami? Attendant degan shu kutuvchi. Okay, number 4, his watch is what? His watch is lost. Yutib ketdi. Bu shunaqa o'tgan shaklda ishlanadi. His watch is lost. So, exercise, I'm sorry, I forgot the letter. I forgot to what? I forgot to post. I forgot to tell him the news the other day. Demek hamda boldi mishariki ikki tal pil kelgan o'tirga tuni qo'ysaqlam bo'ldi. Masalan, forgot to tell, try to get degandek. I'll try to get there before sunset. Okay. Qo'yash betishdan burun hamda men berishga tirishman. Get there. Men yetib berishim qanday qilaman? Tirishim dedi. I try to do. Try somebody. Try to do something. Why not try knock at back door? And I try to knock. Why not try to knock at the back door? Bo'lsa arkadaşlar, hamda bugungi darsimiz mushakcha bo'lsin, shu mashqlarni xila ko'p ishlarni deb qarayman. Bularmi bizniki shu videoda so'zlagan shu muhim bo'lgan nuqtalarga kitoblarni sizib olib başlayınki. Muhim bo'lgan tushunchalarni bir xotir qoldirsanglar, xotir qoldirib, shu tekstni cho'qim yodlab o'tinglar. Chunki sizlarning bir tekstni yodlaganinglar, shu 10 tekst bunda o'rganganingizda yaxshi. Bu deganim hamda bu nima desanglar, xuddi shu til o'rganishni balanchani qildirishga o'xshaydi-ku. Sizlar shuni menda bilib qo'ysanglar bo'lmaydi. Balanchani qildirgan, menda chiniqimiz, mancha chiniqimiz, menda nima ishda shu bilishdan nazariyasini bilishdan emas, yana birga nima desanglar, cho'qim bir amaliy harakat qilish kerak. Mesela çenik beden şeklini o'zgartirish uchun hamda shuningki videoni ko'rganingiz ham kifoya qilmaydi. Yana qanday qilsizlar eng muhimi shu instruction deb ko'rsatmalarga asosan o'zimiz har kuni sistemli mashq qilishimiz kerak. Shularga sizlarning tilingizmi badanchani to'g'anga o'xshash mashq qilishga muhtoj. Sizlar mush tekstni yodlagan vaqtida nurg'un ingliz gap qilasizlar, hamda o'zingizning gapini o'zingizlar anglaysizlar. Mush vaqtda ham sizlarning og'zingizlar, ham sizlarning anglashinglar o'xshashdan mashq qilgan gap. Shunga shu yodlaganda birga ichingizda yodlamanglar, ovozingni qo'yib, o'llik yodlanglar. Bu ko'p o'llik o'qib turanglar. Bu tekstdagi eng muhim narsa shu o'llik o'qib mashq qilish. Sizlar tarjima qilishga oldirib ketmanglar. Buning tafsiloti qiziqsanglar, meningki shu o'rganish usulini chiqarib ep qo'ydik video shaklida. Ingliz tili o'rganish usulida bir qator videolarni shuningdan bir ko'rib, texnik ko'p tafsilotga erishsanglar. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.